Let's talk about how to tie your YouTube channel together with a professional channel icon. That's going to be your little profile icon that displays next to your name when people search for your videos, and I'll show you how to make it on Canva. There's a couple different ways you can go about this. You can either make a photo of yourself or a photo of your brand. So let's go to canva.com and type in YouTube icon. And here you're going to see a bunch of different templates that you can use. But to begin, I'll just show you how to make one really simple and easy with a photo of yourself. We'll go to Uploads. You'll hit Upload Media. I already uploaded it, so I'll take this one here. And something to remember is YouTube does crop its profile icons into a circle. So whatever photo you use, just make sure you know that the corners will be cropped out and it'll only use a circle cut out from that photo. The best way to create your channel icon is to make a square canvas and place the photo inside it. From here, we can go to Download. I'll do JPEG, download again, and I'll show you how to add this to your channel. So if you head to your YouTube page, click on your icon on the top right, it'll probably be blue. Next, go to Your Channel, Customize Channel, Branding here at the top left, hit Change under Picture, and we'll just go ahead and hit the one that we downloaded. Upload. And now you'll see what I said about the cropping. So you can crop it if it's not cropped in the right spot, then hit Done, Publish, and you can see it's updated there. So if I refresh my channel, it has changed a little bit, but there it is. So that's an easy way to make a photo of yourself, your channel icon. But let's say you wanted to put your brand name in your header. A lot of these templates are totally free, so I'm going to choose one that I think kind of fits the channel. This is a nice font here. I'm just going to put Storms Tech Tips. I'll make it just a little bit bigger and keep it right in the middle because it'll crop it out. So let's just remember that when we're moving our text. Try and make that right in the middle with these two pink lines. And I think I'm going to change these elements to blue. The nice thing about these templates is they're completely editable. That looks pretty good. On second thought though, I'm going to make it dark on the background, and then I'm going to change the font to white. Let me just match up these. And I might even move this. There we go. Let's go ahead and hit download. I'll do JPEG just for the smallest file size possible. We'll head back over to our channel. If you're back on the branding page, go ahead and hit change. And let's upload our new one here. Publish. And there we are. That one looks pretty nice. So basically what you want is an image that's easy to read on any size of screen, something that jumps out at people, or just a photo of yourself. That's how to make profile icons.